arrived at Hong Kong and we're staying in Dorsett Kwun Tong. So I'll give you guys a quick room tour. Upon entering, we were shocked because this is the largest Hong Kong hotel room I've ever stayed at. So we've got double single beds and a view of high rises. So this is the walkway and toilet, pretty basic. Okay, and then you have your coffee, tea, kettle, cups, but Hong Kong government has got a new law where they no longer provide disposable toiletries, and that also includes bottled water. And there's a fridge down there. So yeah, that's it for today's very basic room tour, but you know, it works in Hong Kong. Back at our hotel. We're back at our hotel. Good morning, Hong Kong. We are leaving today. This is the last view from the room. Beautiful sunrise today. Let's look at the room and we are off to the airport. This was my room.
下一站彩虹，下一站彩虹。Next station 彩虹。